guys, in we go. Alright guys, welcome on board the Angria, and we're gonna be doing a complete boat tour, this time with a staff member to better explain everything, you know. I just think there's a very unique way to travel here in India, so I think they can do it 50 times better than me with the right information, so let's give it a go.
Yeah. This is a ship, whole ship, so you can see here, topmost deck, that is called as Monkey. Proceed for the bridge.
Check this out. How cool is this?
Hi.
Wow.
Hi.
It's like a movie. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Carlos.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice. Hey guys, hello everybody.
Hi. You wanna shoot?
Yeah. Wow, this is so cool.
I will charge you.
You'll charge me? Add it on my credit card. Guys, this is really happening. Look at this.
See, in India you pay by smile, you pay by giving a hug, Modi hug.
Pyar ki chappi. You must be surely a Sindhi.
Yeah.
See, that's why you know how to use the money.
Wow.
Sure. Have a look. Tell me what you want. Just don't touch anything.
Alright. What happens if I move this?
If you move this, she'll go in some other direction which you don't
Is this
want.
to shoot?
If you try it out, if anything else happens,
It's all my fault.
it's all on record. It's all going in our black box.
And then it's on that little box upstairs.
Yeah, the black box here. It's
Yeah, the
recording
little
everything.
black box. Everything is there. Alright.
There's proof.
So we gotta behave.
Yeah.
And this is alright, so where are we? This is us?
Yeah, we're heading north.
Alright, we're heading north.
Everything from
Wow, this is behind the scenes, guys, like for real.
the electronic charts we have. That one. We have the traditional charts here.
Traditional chart is this electronic.
Yeah.
Oh.
This okay, you don't get scared. Move the chart.
Oh, we can move that one.
If
Oh
you
my
move
god.
down, oops.
Oh, you stopped the boat?
We're going somewhere else. No,
No,
Mumbai
these
anymore.
are the electronic charts we use.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Apart there are the traditional paper charts.
Oh, here's the traditional, so you do both in case
do
the
both.
computers don't work.
Yeah, always the backup.
Who actually knows how to use that? You? You actually know?
We all
You all know how to use that?
But of course.
I'm just kidding, man.
So we just keep it to show. So you can
It's
come
just
and
decoration,
You can go
like-
and shoot, yeah. We have to decorate the place.
Oh, the vloggers come, everybody take out the map. Come on.
Yeah.
We have to do it. No, I'm just kidding.
You see, you're showing us as too busy. Actually, this is all dummy stuff.
Yeah, it's just decoration. Cool. Look at that, guys. This is how they chart it where they're going.
No, we were just checking things because we have a survey. These are the charts we've already plotted the courses on.
And how do you use this exactly?
So this is called the parallel ruler.
A parallel ruler.
All right. So we have coordinates out here from the GPS, latitude, longitude. So this is the latitude scale. This is the longitude scale. We see the readings. We go up here. We mark the latitude. We mark longitude, and that's where we plot the ship. That's where the ship is. Yeah.
Cool.
So that is the plot that we do. Of course, it's looking simple out here, but we have to do a lot of reading and research as to which place to go, how deep the water is,
Right.
if it's safe or not to go through that place, is it recommended tracks or not.
Right.
Yeah. So we have a lot of books which we go through that. But now because we go to and fro, so we know already.
Yeah, you kind of.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where we get the depth of the water, echo sound. At all times below the keel of the ship, lowest part, how much of a depth it is, we get depth out here.
So is the water depth here?
This is the depth of the water below the ship. The ship already is 6 meters into the water.
6
so
meters?
15 plus 4 plus 6.
So 21.
21, 22 meters, yeah. So you get a digital graph and yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, yeah, here is at 15 meters, and it shows you exactly how deep it goes.
Yes.
The lower it is here, the deeper the boat is.
So you can change the range scale to higher if we go more deeper into the sea. But this is classified as a coastal vessel.
Uh-huh.
So we go within 12 nautical miles from the coast.
Okay.
We are not allowed to go more than that. Because if you go more than that, then you get into the international waters. So for that you have to have some more equipment and restrictions on board and a lot more equipments to go international.
So you really gotta respect the line.
No, we do that, but of course we can go out of the line to avoid collision or traffic.
of course.
But otherwise, normally we be within 12 nautical miles.
Okay.
So have a look here. This is the steering wheel. So it's not the traditional like you all see with the spokes.
Yeah.
That's for show and that's for also the private yachts.
Right.
But this is all modernized. This is hydraulic,
This is how it is now.
electro-hydraulic. This is the steering wheel, and we can also put it on right on. It's on automatic. Once we come out at sea, when there's traffic, we put it on automatic and we set the course from here. Nevertheless, we still have to monitor it because the sea swell, the ship moves, so we have to see if it's on track. Therefore, we plot the positions here and we plot the positions here automatically. So we know we are within the track. So everything up here has a backup here. Yeah. So it's full time. We're always watching it. Yeah.
So that the electronic version and then the old-fashioned way to make sure everything is.
Yes. And also when we're keeping a watch, those are the radars, but we keep a watch by sight.
Yeah.
Because a lot of things the radar may not pick up,
Yeah.
or we get a better. You can get disoriented here, but you know what you're doing here.
Yeah.
You can always take port starboard. So port starboard means port is left and starboard is right.
Right.
So of course you do not lose that. You always keep navigation by sight as the first.
Right.
Yeah. So okay, that is the bigger thing, and then this is the. Oh, I must show you this one. This is the engine. I mean, engine room. The whole engine room is below, but this is the telegraphs. Slow head, full head, half head.
So that's for speed?
Yeah, that's for speed. That's for small sort of gears, unlimited speed, and then once we come out to we come navigation full. Sorry?
I like the phrase when that's low.
There's so many buttons.
Yeah. So basically, these are all base buttons for it's a huge engine. It's not like a car. Whereas there are so many thousand parameters which got to be within. It has to be in sync.
Right. Yeah.
A lot of things in sync. So, and there's a huge engine, like a 3-4 floor high, 5 floor high engine room, 7-8 huge pistons and all, like, which is 2 floors high. So and there's fresh water. There's a boiler, like steam. There's generators. There's so many things combined together.
Wow,
This goes on heavy fuel oil. It's on that crude oil, the first oil that comes out of the dirt. Then we purify that. That's put into the engine. So we have diesel oil, purifying oil. So there's a lot of things. So there are a lot of parameters which the engineers check.
Everything.
Anyway, so once we go full head here, we have 2 engines. Not one, 2 very powerful engines which can go 25 knots. We can make you reach Bombay by midnight. You might beat me up and say, what do we do tonight? So we go slow.
Yeah, take your
For
time.
2 reasons. One is we can go for a longer time and enjoy the ship, as well as it's more economical. It's economical on the fuel. If you go faster, there's a lot of fuel which causes.
Yeah.
It's a 26,500 bhp engine together. That's a hell of a lot of power. Okay, so apart from having the propeller and the fixed fins, this is not fixed. The fins have an angle of rotation. So we can increase and decrease the pitch to increase the speed, apart from the RPM.
Right.
One is the accelerator, the RPM, and one is also the angle of the pitch.
Okay.
That's one thing. Then apart from that, we have our bounce and thrusters. Now, for the front and the aft of the ship, we have these 2 more propeller fans on a 180 degrees, which can help the maneuverability of the ship. So the ship can turn on its own axis, and also it can go athwart between two ships. You would appreciate that when you have to park a car, how you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here you can just go in between 2 ships and go athwart ships.
Yeah,
this all helps in maneuverability.
Cool.
Apart from this, we have fin stabilizers which go on the surface of the water, hydraulic, which in case the ship rolls, so we get the fins out to minimize the rolling so that you don't get seasick. The seasickness.
Okay, so it stabilizes the ship.
So here there are various tanks. We have the freshwater tank, we have the fuel tanks, we have ballast tanks which stabilize the ship. So here they are fuel tanks out here, fuel tanks or anything out here. We have something called healing tanks also. In case again the ship tilts to one side for some reason, you can fill up on the other tank to bring it upright again. So all this happens from this panel out here.
Wow.
Yeah. Of course, here we have various 40-50 points of fire, any kind of fire anywhere on the ship. We get an indication here, we have the fire points, and then we inform the engine. This is what you are asking. We have anytime there's fire, emergency or fire, emergency, then we ring the alarm. Then captain, then we have a We have a fire drill station.
Then the signal you give out.
Yes.
Full ship.
No, but first we get the alert, no?
Yeah, alert.
We get the alert.
Yeah, that's what I
We
was
know,
saying.
we know there's alarm here. There's a fire here, so we inform the engine room. So and so deck, so and so section. There's an alarm. So they go and check if it's a small one or a big one. If it's a big one, they call up. The captain comes, makes alarm and says everybody's. That's a whole different procedure.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is we have the watertight doors in case there's flooding. There are doors which thick iron doors which close so that it can get compartmentalized. The water does not progress.
Full ship.
What happened in Titanic was there was no compartment.
Yeah. Right. And the level was going on increasing.
Yes, yes. So
now that
Titanic, after this, SOLAS came into place. SOLAS means safety of life and sea book. Titanic did not have compartments. So when the water flooded, it went straight into it like a block and it went down. Here, in case, God forbid, water comes in, we can compartmentalize and stop the water and stick it to one place. So that the ship's stability does not go back. It's called damage control stability. Okay, so that's that. Then we have various lights panels for various things on the ship. Navigation lights. Sorry?
Such panels.
Titanic was different from what ship it was. We're not so. We have to see what the ship is doing. Which way it's going, whether it's coming into a course or not, whether it's going to be collide or not. We track it on the radar, we can acquire it and you can give us the data. Course, speed, distance, closest point of approach, everything,
Right.
so we can accordingly take action.
So this is us right now, and these are obstacles ahead of us.
That's our heading line, these are the other vessels, and we are tracking this one out here, which is,
The big vessel there?
Yeah.
Oh, you're keeping your eye on it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so let me show you in real time what that is. This is us. This is another vessel around us, and let's go and check them out right now. You saw him on the radar, and you can actually, can the camera point him out? Yeah, he's right over there, you can see him. That little speck.
Yeah, I can see that.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay, that's not helping.
tattoos, man.
Alright, anyways, there's a speck there, that's it.
We love that.
Yeah, I didn't notice. You got, gosh, you got awesome tattoos there.
Oh yeah, I got a tiger and I got a wolf and I just got a bird. Look, I got this yesterday.
Yeah, oh, you were in pain right now.
It doesn't hurt. No, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's
But you
okay.
have to put some kind of oil for some time, right?
Yeah, I put
You
my
clipped
cream
it.
on it. Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Cool.
Great.
Alright guys.
So,
They even have windshield wipers here.
The one which you seen there.
What is this?
okay, so this is called the Aldis lamp.
A lamp.
Aldis, it's called the Aldis lamp.
Aldis lamp.
It's very powerful, so don't look into it. This is basically at night, if you want to alert some fishing vessel or some vessel which is not moving according and even after taking action,
Alright.
it's behaving a bit funny, and you want to call it attention, so we flash.
And what's the range?
Oh, that's for close by ships. That's not for miles away, but it's very powerful. Basically, it's to attract attention that hey, move away, or like I'm trying to call you.
Yeah, alright.
So it's got. So again, this is it has got a connection from the ship as well as a battery connection in case the generator fails.
Okay.
Everything on the ship will have a backup.
Backup. Everything has a backup. Alright.
Yeah.
Life of backups. Alright, good to have a second plan.
Right.
Let's continue on.
Anything else you want to know, let me know. I will have a-
Alright, so you guys have binoculars here.
Yes.
They look powerful. They have binoculars. They have many binoculars actually. And what are you guys thinking? This is a deep behind the scenes tour. Behind the scenes tour. It's like Nat Geo taking you behind the scenes on an Indian luxury domestic cruise. Yeah. Guys, this is the actual captain of the ship we just met.
Yeah, and not the one he just not took it out. No, he's not the one. No.
Now this will be edited. Huh?
I'll be captain by the end of the day.
So, sir, I told him that there will be charges because he took out a photograph and everything. So that's going to be heavy charges. It's going to heavy charges, but look at it. We have a Sindhi lady. She automatically said that can be in kind, no, like we give hugs and smiles. See the
They're going to help out. They're going to help out though.
All right.
So that is our Indian culture, isn't it?
But now we are in neutral territorial waters where international rules apply. Money.
Money, charge them for everything. But you guys are gonna help, right? You guys are gonna help, right?
Of course they're going to help. They're going to stand right behind you.
Yeah, that's very helpful. Alright guys, what do you think? That's the behind the scenes here. Look, there's even a laptop. And look, they're watching. So everything is safe, you know, they're keeping an eye on everything. Anyways, guys, let's go on to the next part.
We have lifeboats. Here we have 12 boats, and that side we have 12 boats. Totally we have 24 lifeboats.
24 lifeboats.
Yeah.
How many per people does each boat hold?
25.
25? This holds one. Okay, they're like inflatables.
It depends on the like capacity. Even I don't know that much.
Interesting.
Just a minute.
Alright. We're gonna find out this vital information. How many people fit per boat? They have 24.
50 years.
Okay. Alright guys, here's the magical information. Each boat holds 50 people. So 24 times 50 is the amount of people that can be rescued on these boats here. Alright, we're now leaving the Anchorage restaurant and we're making our way through.
And we are proceeding for Fathom Lodge, that is a discotheque. That will start at 9 o'clock till the last person is enjoying in the deck. Here is the discotheque.
Alright guys, here is the party room. Wow. Have a look. Have a look. The DJ booth is over there.
Here DJ is playing. So we can come and dance a
What
bit.
time?
9 o'clock.
Okay, 9
Yeah.
to?
9 to the last person
No
is
limit.
enjoying. There is no limit. Limit is up to 2. But after 2, if any person wants to still dance and enjoy, they can.
So they can
And-
stay until 9 when we
Yes.
arrive in Mumbai?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, I'll be this one now.
And yeah.
This is a 2-person cabin with a window. Alright,
Yeah, please.
here is a room tour.
This is called as a buddy room with window attached washroom.
Alright, so it's a buddy room. And then you have the ocean view. Look at that. Oh la la.
These
With a
rooms
sunset.
are really good.
Alright guys, and last but not least, we have Japanese style sitting here. So
And these are
you can see that you just like sit down real low.
not like Indian washrooms.
Here is the bathroom here. This is what you can expect. Alright, so these rooms here are named after birds.
Yeah.
Here we have the Sandployer. Alright, this is a different room. Look at
This is a
this.
different room.
They look like airport business seats.
Yeah.
You got
These
a
doesn't
small
have
table.
attached washroom.
No washroom here. Okay, so
Yeah.
just the room.
Room.
Alright, so this is a 14-person dormitory here. You also have a nice little couch there to hang out.
These are luxury pots.
Luxury pods.
Yeah. Then this is double occupancy Japanese style doors. Sliding doors, wooden sliding. So here 2 people can accommodate in one room, and we like this room comes with common washroom.
Common washroom. And what's the price for per person here?
Per person it's around 7,500 or 8,000.
7,500?
Huh.
Okay.
Actual prices you'll get it on website.
Okay.
Our website is www.angriacruises.com.
Alright.
Because prices may differ
Right.
Yeah.
monthly,
Gotcha.
so I can't tell you exact price.
For sure.
And the rooms are named
Rooms,
after
yeah.
whales here.
Whales,
Dwarf
fishes.
sperm
You can-
whale.
Yeah. There you can find a perfect picture. There are different breeds over there.
Look, we got the finless porpoise. Alright, so all named after marine mammals. Look, this is a sperm whale room.
Yes.
So
To keep your luggage.
here's all the whales that the rooms are named after. And I'll say this again, like the owner really likes marine biology, marine animals, because you see it everywhere.
The
Big
owner
thumbs up, I
also
really
has
like that, I
these
support that.
This
Alright, we're going into the Emperor Angelfish room. Open sesame. All right, and here you have the Deluxe Suite.
Suite rooms.
Have a look. It looks like a Marriott hotel.
Yeah.
Oh, and you even have
This
for the
is
children.
a family room where you can accommodate 4 people. 2 people here, 2 people there. Usually this is called as a family room.
Family
So
room.
if they have 2 kids, then they can book this room, or any 4 people who want a spacious sitting arrangement and spacious room, they can. We have attached washroom over there, but only there is problem, we don't have window on this floor.
No window on this
Yeah.
floor.
But
Have a
rooms
look
are
at the
very
bathroom.
spacious.
Oh,
That's it.
and here is the bathroom.
This is attached washroom.
This is what you can expect. Alright guys, we're making our way to the...
engine room.
This is the engine room?
Yeah.
This is the
He's
control
the
room.
third. Yeah, he's third officer.
Alright, have a look at this. It's like in the movies.
Huh?
It's like in the movies.
More real than ever.
Danger, 440 volts. Well, what do we have here? What does all this do?
These are all the controls of the main engines.
All the control of the engine. How many engines?
We've got 2 engines for propulsion,
2 engines.
and 3 engines for the power generation.
Alright. So this is one of the engines here. Here's another engine, guys. Wow. And all these have a meaning. Everything is for something.
Yeah.
It's not decoration.
Basically the parameters of the engine which are running right now. So we monitor everything from here.
Alright guys, these are not world clocks. These are representing seriously important information. That's the engine?
Yeah, that's the
What is that over there?
That's called a clinometer. It shows how the ship is distant to the port or the starboard side.
Okay, so it should always be in the middle?
Yeah, it should always be.
Alright, it's in the middle, so we're safe. Alright, cool.
Hold the captain. Is the phone for the captain?
Yeah.
Alright, so you can call the captain directly there. Cool. Alright. Now we have some more buttons, and so you know every single one of these is for something. Look at all the stuff you have to know if you want to work down here.
Wanna go inside?
Alright guys, in we go. hot in there and loud, and it feels like a Call of Duty level, guys. There's Modern Warfare, the Call of Duty series has levels that you go inside this, but we just went in there, guys. I hope you enjoyed looking at that. That is phenomenal.
Feels like a sauna in here. It's like so hot.
Yeah, and then we could have gone upstairs, but I was told it just gets way too hot up there, like extremely hot, so we didn't. But anyways, that was cool.
Yeah.
2 engines in there, huge, massive engines. They look like rockets. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up the engine room.